What up, YouTube? It's your girl Tasha, aka T-Bird Fitness, and welcome back to my channel. So, as you guys read that title, I'm going to show you all how to do a proper rope twist on your locks. As you guys can see, my hair is crinkly because I just took my rope twist out recently from when I did them last. But also, before I get started, I want to say this: do not twist your hair when it's dry. Right now, I'm twisting it when it's dry, which is really bad, but it's just for the purpose of this video to show you guys how to properly do a rope twist. So let's get started. You take your two locks. Some people like to use more than two, but just take your two locks and you twist the root of both locks. And what you do is you're going to start the rope twist in the opposite direction of how you twist your locks. So as you guys can see, I'm going clockwise with my locks, so to the right with my locks for my regular twist. But when I do my rope twist, I'm going to be going to the left. So cross that over like that. And that's exactly how it happens. And you just twist it all the way down to the end. You don't have to twist it so tight, and it shouldn't hurt when you're doing it. If it's hurting, I mean you're just twisting your hair too tight and you're causing unnecessary tension on your roots. So I want to twist it all the way down, and then when I get to the end, I'm going to show you all how it would stay without a rubber band, but it does come unraveled eventually, but it can stay at least for a few weeks without rubber bands. And that's how it's done. As you can see, it's not tight to my root, it doesn't hurt, and it's not coming unraveled. But if you want it to last longer, what I usually do, once I get to the end, I take at the end and I fold my lock. Then I take a rubber band, just a little black rubber band, and I wrap it around 3 times. I find that doing it more than 3 times causes it to be too tight, and can also cause weakness in your locks where you bent it under. So about 3 times is just the right amount to get it there so it holds. And that is how you do a rope twist. Make sure you guys come back to more how you do them with the locks. Maybe I'll show you guys a few styles next, but anyway, that's how you do it. Make sure y'all like, subscribe to my channel, comment below what you think. Comment below if you want to see any more how-to simple tutorials on lock styles, and I can show you guys that. But anyway, till next time, peace, love, happiness, and always be true to you. Bye.